Ka Northeast Students Organisation NESO harengkat berkasi Students Union hinin kesngi kilap penolong ia kajing tang membeti hakandai lat ban aware ban duai nak benta kajing syongsuk syongsengan bat ban penkut no ia kajing umsnam ha Manipur. Habai kran bat kilap thai khubor Presiden kan NESO iba Samuel Jerwa ila penpau ia kajing sngol lengok halor kajing sngap jar-jar jong menteri yang badu keri Narendra Modi halor kajing long jingman ha Manipur bat ikwaru bantip balada dan ke ek beri selandet bala ailat bani umsnam ha kajela ke bamarjan ila ang ru ba kane kalabu jingkeli ru syapang kajing klan jong ke borsipai ke badan keti banwan ra ke jingsuk ha Manipur iba ajarwai la pentip ru ba ka kenhun jong kaneso kan selait ban jongok ke kajela Manipur bani kenduk ya kinong ilam jong baro ar liang kata ki mete bat kuki
against you for initiating this program.
General Secretary jongga PSU, Presiden Rombak jongga PSU, Sabla Lombok Starul Mana,
ya di media, di press kita.
Candlelight Vigil is to call for peace in Manipur and also to stop the violent activities in the state of Manipur. Well, it's very surprising and shocking that the Prime Minister of the country, who used to be very active in commenting on any issues affecting the country or affecting the different states of the country, is still silent till today, even after nearly 2 months that this mayhem has occurred in the state of Manipur.
Ka Directorate of Economics and Statistics harengkat berkeselong College